All right, let's talk about a tool that is totally changing the game for anyone who wants to build things, even if you've never, ever written a single line of code in your life. We're going to demystify Claude Code, your new AI building partner.
And look, let's just start with this powerful claim from someone who uses it every day. This isn't about saving a few minutes here and there. When they say augment your productivity, they mean a serious, fundamental upgrade to your ability to create and get stuff done.
And to be clear, this isn't just some theory. The person who inspired this whole explainer uses Claude's code to help run a business that pulls in over $4 million a year. And that's in profit. So yeah, this thing isn't a toy. It is a serious engine for getting real work done. So what is this thing really? What makes it so powerful? And maybe more importantly, why should you care if you're not a coder? Because the whole point here isn't to get bogged down in technical jargon. It's about finally unlocking your ideas.
Okay, think of it like this. Most AI tools you use live on the internet, right? You go to a website. But Claude Code is different. It's an assistant that lives right on your computer. It has hands-on access to your files and can actually build things in your workspace. It's less of a consultant and more of a true second brain that can bring your vision to life.
Okay, so you're probably thinking, this sounds great, but how do I even get started? Well, let's walk through the setup, which is honestly way more approachable than you might be imagining.
You've basically got two main ways to interact with it. On one hand, you have the terminal. Think of it like texting your computer instructions. It's super fast and powerful if you know what you're doing. But for pretty much everyone else, there's the GUI, the graphical user interface. And that's just a fancy way of saying it looks and feels like a normal app with buttons and menus. It's visual, it's intuitive, and it's the perfect place to start.
Now, you'll be working inside something called an IDE, an Integrated Development Environment. I know, that sounds super technical and intimidating, but don't let the name fool you. It's really just a word for your main digital workshop, the place where you'll do all your building. And when you break it down, an IDE is really just these three simple things, all rolled into one nice package. You've got a way to see all your files, a place to edit text, and most importantly, your AI chat assistant right there beside you, ready to help. All right, enough with the setup. Let's get to the fun part. Let's see how this thing actually builds something. This is where the magic really happens. And believe it or not, it all starts with a simple picture.
This is the key takeaway, the most important thing to understand. You don't need to start with code. You don't even need to know what code to write. You just need to know what you like. Your entire creative process can kick off with something as simple as a screenshot. This workflow is just incredible. You start by giving Claude a screenshot of a website you think looks great. It takes a first stab at it and gets, maybe 80% of the way there. But then, and this is the genius part, it takes a screenshot of its own work. It then compares its version to your original image, sees the differences, and goes back to fix the code. It keeps doing this, building, screenshotting, comparing, and refining until it has a nearly perfect copy. Now, building something from a picture is one thing. But how do you make sure the AI stays on track with your project's bigger goals and follows your specific rules? Well, you have to give it a brain. And this brain isn't some complicated piece of software. It's literally just a simple text file that you name Claude.md, and you stick it right inside your project folder. This file becomes the core instructions, the context, and the memory for your AI assistant. And as the source material says, this file is what steers the output of the ship. I love that analogy. Think about it. A tiny turn of the wheel at the start of a long voyage makes a massive difference in where you end up. That's exactly what this file does. It sets that initial direction, so every single thing the AI does from then on is perfectly on course. So what's actually in this file? Well, this is where you put your high-level instructions, the main goals of the project, any rules you want the AI to follow, you name it. This file gets automatically included at the start of every single conversation, so the AI always knows the mission. It means you don't have to constantly repeat yourself. You define the rules of the game once, and your partner always remembers them. So, when you step back and look at all this, what are we really seeing? It's more than just a cool tool. We are witnessing a fundamental shift, a massive wall that has always stood between having a great idea and having the ability to build it is finally coming down. This is really about democratizing the power to create. These tools are no longer just for software engineers with years of training. They're becoming true creative partners for entrepreneurs with an app idea, for students building a project, for anyone who thinks and wants to bring their vision into the world.
At the end of the day, this technology is so much more than just a developer you can hire. It's truly an extension of your own mind, a second brain that's ready to build whatever you can imagine. So with that kind of power at your fingertips, the only question left is, what will you build?